Okay, we just got to our accommodation in Milos. Oh my god. So cute. We've been on a ferry for like 3 hours. So we're sweaty and gross. Oh wow! Where's your patio?
Exactly.
We can share ours. Look at the view.
Cute.
Oh my god, guys. Hello guys, so we just got to the restaurant. We walked down to the port from our hotel and we're just having a bit of lunch. We're gonna do dinner tonight, so nothing crazy. Amazing!
Pina coladas. I like a pina colada.
Oh, you're gonna order a pina colada. I'll show you guys where we are right now. So there's the water over there. So I think for lunch, I wanted a gyros, but I think I'm gonna get the Caesar salad because I've been craving a Caesar salad for so long. So I might do that. Dad, what did you get?
Heineken beer.
Heineken, Mum, what did you get?
Coca-Cola.
What did you get?
Coke Zero.
Woo!
Shots. Wherever your water is.
Okay.
What are you gonna get for lunch?
Yeah, what's everyone
Oh,
ordering?
there's a few that I like.
Me acting like this is a champagne bottle.
I don't want to get something too filling. I thought it comes with Greek salad.
But do you know what a Greek salad is?
I don't have to put lamb in it.
Greek salad, normal Greek salad is just tomato and like
It tells you what it is. Where is it? Hang on.
Like, is that gonna
I
fill
saw it
you up?
before. Where was it?
That's what a Greek salad is.
What do
I wouldn't mind that as an entree.
I'm gonna get the pita club with chicken fillet. Pita, chicken, cheese, bacon, sauce, and chips.
Not going pizza.
Okay, Matilda's food just came. That looks amazing. How happy are you?
10 out of 10.
How jealous are you?
No, I'm not jealous because she won't probably be able to eat it all, and I'll be able to.
Dad!
No food envy.
Mum's chicken, cheese toasty, and it's got chips. That's ideal for Mum. She's not complaining. Guys, my Caesar salad has just come. It has a corn in it, which I'm a bit confused about, but I'm not complaining. What did you get, Dad? Try this bad boy. It's got corn in it as well. Cheers. Guys, they gave Dad, I was filming. They gave this us for free. Now you can go. Okay, well I'm gonna try both.
Yeah, I also try both.
Of course. Okay, ready?
Okay, I'm starting with this one.
Oh my god, it's like a white chocolate magnum.
Oh, that's good.
Yum! It's literally just a magnum. Yeah, you'll like that one. Yum!
This is like cookies and cream.
That's good.
Good, huh? I don't care about all of that.
I don't care either. Yum! Hello everybody. We are back from our little walk and we're trying, my throat is still real sore. We're trying to plan our boat tour for Monday, but I went and bought some snacks because we are going to Sarakiniko, I think it's called, tomorrow, so I thought I would get some snacks. So first up, we have tzatziki flavored chips because I want to try those because that's just screaming Greece. These are for Mum because Mum likes, they're just plain Lays. And then I also got these paprika crackers because I don't know why does that not look so yum.
Yeah, they look tasty.
They also had pesto ones and I didn't grab those. I should have grabbed those
Next time.
next time. So yeah, and we got cherries and a bit more fruit as well. We are currently out for dinner at Ohamos, I think it's called. We wanted to go here, well I really wanted to go here because this is like viral on TikTok, and the reason why it's viral is because all the menus are handwritten. Well, I think it's handwritten and then they photocopied it, but we're not going to judge anyway. But the actual restaurant is so nice. We did have to wait an hour to get here, to get in, but it is so gorgeous and I'm having the greatest time. And me and Matilda, we're going to order the cheese pies, Grandma's cheese pies, the saganaki, and the married chickpeas, and I'm so excited. Mum's ordering the Mum's ordering the souvlaki. Okay, they just gave us out some olives and bread. I don't know if it's that's the bread we ordered or if that's a different bread.
He'll love those. My dad carries them in his wallet.
Okay guys, these are the cheese pies, Grandma's cheese pies. They look so good. Surely that will stay. Alright guys, we're gonna try a cheese pie, Grandma's cheese pie. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Yes, thank you. Apparently it's really good. Okay guys, we're now trying the Sarakiniko. Oh god. And this is the chickpeas. Mum's food finally came. Good morning everyone. We just have gotten up and gotten ready because we are heading to Sarakiniko, I think it's called, today. So I'm wearing this blue bikini from VDM, the label, and I have matching shorts on as well, but I've just put on some, I wonder if I'm gonna need a top on the bus. Maybe I'll just bring a top just in case. I don't know what the rules are because I know in Italy some of the towns you will get fined like $700 if you're just in bathers, and that's not a vibe. So I might just put on, is this my big one? Yeah. Okay, Mum ordered bacon and scrambled eggs, but she got bacon in her scrambled eggs. But it still looks really yummy. We're currently out for breakfast. We're going to the beach today. So yeah, I've just ordered a cup of tea. I'm so excited about this cup of tea. You have no idea. And I have some honey for my throat for later on.
It's really nice. I need fresh orange juice.
Fresh orange juice.
Really nice.
Slay. Did Dad eat any of the pies from last night?
This morning when I got up, I had the cheese patty things. It got cold. I still had half of one. They need to be heated up again. There's no microwave.
Yeah.
But I had the lamb and all that. Right?
Yeah.
The lamb with the onions and
it
the paprika.
definitely wasn't lamb, but
It wasn't lamb?
no.
Oh, whatever the meat was anyway.
Thank you. I'm scared. Wait, this is really scary. This is terrifying. I'm actually terrified. Is that an end?
Oh, this is our third no through road. That's our dead end. Right, so we've got to one dead end. Let's go explore another one. You got plenty of charge on your phone?
Yeah, we're not gonna get lost, Dad. Dad thinking we're gonna go hunting. Holy frick. This is so cool. Okay, we are back from the beach and we're about to get ready for, well, we are ready for dinner. We literally got ready in about 5 minutes because I didn't realize my parents were waiting for us and we were just sitting on our phones. So it's really awkward. So I've just thrown on an outfit. Top is Sundays and I've just slicked my hair back because it's gross from the water. But yeah, let's go because I'm actually starving, but I need a pee, so hang on. Okay, Dad just ordered a gyro salad.
Euro shit. How about those? Thank you very much.
It must be a salad with euros.
Shut up!
Let's see what this Euro shit tastes like.
No, it's
I'm about to try the Euro shit. As Katie would say.
right. Go on then.
Salad's on the move.
Yeah, I actually want that.
Suffer in your pants. I'll suffer in your own.
I've never heard of that in my life. We got pork gyros. How are they? Nice. Pretty good.